Today I will be explaining power rule, which is taught in Calculus AB or also referred to as Calculus 1. Power rule is used to find the derivative of a polynomial. Polynomials are equations such as x to the third, x to the 1/2, x to the second, and so on. So say you are given an equation, for example, x to the n, where n is a constant number. To find the derivative of this, you would bring down n to the front of the variable and subtract n by 1 for the new power. This works for any polynomial. Now I will do a few examples to show you in a better way with real problems you could be asked in class. The first equation is x cubed. To find the derivative of this, you would first bring down the exponent to the front of the variable and then subtract the power by 1, which results to 3x squared. The next example is x to the negative third power. First, I identify what my n is, and the negative follows that number. Bring the negative 3 to the front of the variable and subtract negative 3 in the power by 1. This results to negative 3x to the negative 4 power. Some teachers or professors don't like students leaving their answers with the negative exponents. So, in order to eliminate that, you simply bring the x to the negative 4 to the denominator and make the 4 a positive now. The next example is x to the 1/2 and can also be written as the square root of x. Following the pattern, you bring the 1/2 to the front of the variable x and subtract the power by 1. This results to a negative exponent again, and if your teacher doesn't accept that, you can bring down the x to the negative 1/2 to the denominator, along with the 2 which is already in the denominator. The next equation is 5x squared. To find the derivative of this, you would use the same formula. You bring the 2 out front, multiplied with the 5, keep the variable, and subtract the power by 1. This equals 10x. The next example is y equals 9x cubed plus 10x to the 4th. You are able to take the derivative of these two terms because they are connected with an addition sign. If they were connected by multiplication or division, you would have to use a different rule. So, to take the derivative of 9x cubed, bring 3 to the front times 9, which is 27, and then subtract 3 by 1, which is 2. Same thing with the next term, and you get 40x cubed. The next example is y equals x cubed minus 8x squared plus 4x minus 3. Because they are connected by subtraction and addition, you can take the derivative of each term. The derivative of x squared is 3x squared. The derivative of 8x squared is 16x. The derivative of 4x is 4. And the derivative of 3 is 0. Thanks for watching, and if you have a math topic that you would like me to make a video about, then leave a comment down below.